today she will be sharing with you on how to make towel animals. Animals, right? Your hand big. It's rolling, rolling on the river. Yes. And then we stop in the middle. Where do we stop? In the middle, yes, baby. I don't know what we're making. It's a mystery to me too. I don't know anything. Yes, and then we take the other side and then you roll it in as well. Okay. What are we doing? Rolling. Rolling on the river.
And then all but half and half.
We made it. Yes, so in the middle, let's wait for everyone.
And then the other side.
It has to be like 2 sausage rolls or 2 burritos. Or 2, what else can be rolled? Jelly rolls, yes. No, is it a thing? I don't even know what that is. It's okay. Yes, remove it and then we just leave it on the side. That is the first part of towel folding. You are about to become masters. At the end of this class, everyone else will be a professional. What are we going to be? Professionals. Yes, professionals. Because there's a lot of us, right? Yes, what are we doing now? Alright guys, so we take the small towel, put it horizontal. What are you guys saying? Horizontal or vertical? We're on vacation, right? I am too, yes. And then we're gonna fold it in half. So bring it from the top all the way to the bottom half. And then the folded part should be, okay, the straight part with no opening should be at the top.
Okay,
and
flip
then
it.
The ones that open should be at the bottom, facing you. I am making. That will be $200. Yes. All right, good, Nancy. What are we doing next? Okay, good. So you take your finger, this one, pointy finger, you put it in the middle of the towel, and then you take one side and then you bring it in, and it will make a triangle. Not a straight one, but it will be a triangle. Don't worry. Yes, it's like making a paper aeroplane. Yes, yes. You just take.
She did it from the top. Thing.
Yes, yeah. In the middle, your finger in the middle, and then bring it all in. It's gonna give a shape of a paper. Paper aeroplane or a kite. Yes, it's gonna look like that. And then from here, what do we do? Did everyone get it? Yes. All right, good. And then we're moving. What are we making now? And then we're going to flip it. We're becoming chefs now. Flip it.
Here we go.
Flip it. Yes.
Going good, Nanny.
And we put it upside down. Yes. All right, good. We all got it. And then we're moving. What are we doing, Nancy, now? We're going to roll from the top all the way to the bottom. Oh, we stop when we start seeing the ears popping out. So we roll it once you start to see the other side of the towel. Yes, one more roll, one more roll. And ears and a mouth. What is this? No, we can't tell.
Here's the mouth.
Yes, but you would have something that looks like something. Look at this one. Dude, it's missing eyes. What do we have here? Amazing. Yes. All right, good.
Okay.
And then you flip it like egg whites. Yes. And then we are here, and then you fold everything. Make sure it holds like that, like that. And then your ears have to stick out, so your baby has ears.
Oh, we fold it there. That's where we didn't fold it. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. Let me see. Let me see it.
With a little help from our friends, we got this from that. Because it would have never been an elephant otherwise. Not sure the elephant track is right, but it's close.
It's beautiful.
The flat part is at the top. And then we put the baby facing up, the face facing up. I don't know what to call it. The face facing up. Yes, I sound like a philosopher now. And then we bring all the rolled stuff together. And...
Oh, you're so proud.
Oh, okay, destroy only the head. Yeah. I know. It's okay. She says it's okay. We will make a different one. Oh, babies.
It might record
Babies
now,
are made by women. I'm joking. Don't question me. All right, good. Now we have all the folded sides. Nancy, what do we do next?
Okay.
Add parts for no good reason. Yes, that one.
Stick them inside.
And then stick them out, all 4 of them. Stick them out, pull
Okay.
them out. Yes.
There you
It's not
go.
a baby yet, it's not in pain, I promise you, just pull them out. Yes, and pull out the other one as well.
Okay.
All 4 of them. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
That, 2, attach 2 on 2. In the middle, and make sure the other way around.
Okay.
She's always right. You know why? Yes, the next important part. And what are we doing now? We're doing the head. We have the body, we're missing the head. So take the small towel, put it on the floor.
There you go.
Small towel, yes.
There you go.
Small towel. Yes, and then what are we doing now? We're gonna fold it in half. So it has to be rectangular. The finger in the middle. Yes. All right, good. What do we do now? We take the side that opens, so it is fold. I mean, you can open it, you can flip it, right? So take one of the edges, just one folder, leave the other one, and what do we do, Nancy? We pull it all the way in. Yes, and then you're gonna have, yes. All the way down. No, that is wrong. Rectangular. Are we all not professionals? Yes, and then yes, the top part folded backwards. Oh, this is backwards, not backwards. Yes, the top part.
Fold is backside.
Okay.
Triangle at the top, folded backwards. Yes, folded,
Right,
folded.
that's
Amazing,
correct.
amazing. Good. Did you get it?
Two side rolling.
Okay, we got this. Yes, backwards. She's always right. At the back, backwards. Yes. Good. And backwards.
Uh-huh.
Yes, take all them in. Yes. All right, good. We all got that. That was easy, right? Easy, yes.